fly. I get a pen. My mom said if I imagine it, I can fly. But the bitch lied to me. Why? Why did she have to lie? She could have just told me people don't fly. She could have just told me instead of brainwash me, making me think I can fly when I really can't. She freaking already. That hurts really bad, like a bullet in my head. Oh man. I really think I can fly. And but I can't. Only if I had wings. But I don't. My mom is a bitch. And she should have never lied. She should have told the truth. She should have said it. She should have, but she didn't. Now what's the deal? Zooming in and out. Zooming in and in. Zooming out and in. Zooming in and out. Nothing to say, nothing to do. Come back. I'm right here. Come back. I'm right here. Stop doing that. I'm just trying to talk. To my peers. To my fans that love me for me. Even though I can't fly, Mother. You're supposed to be my number one fan. And you jerk. You proved me. Write that down. I just kind of spit on your screen, my mistake.